welcome to my channel. Kung hindi pa kayo nag-subscribe, click to engage and make subscription na tulungan niyo naman ako to grow as an influencer. Ito yung first vlog, ito yung preceding vlogs, I vlog about the fun run and everything, and also my first year of the third class. Itong vlog na to about siya sa daily experience, a regular daily experience ng isang third student, tourism, and in midterms almost, and we got so many activities such as about hotel reservation systems, managing its systems, yung mga travel agency, business planning, and also yung mag-manage ng isang business plan and financial status nito. And also meron din kaming foreign language ulit, yung mag-i sila ng iba't ibang points about sa mga Japanese language, which is our key language na pinag-aralan ngayon, and it's already midterms, and I think I'm ready to go. Mataas ng mga prelim grades namin na binigay last week, and I think I got 90 grades, 90 plus grades, 90 above. And also ayun, so i-update ko kayo dito sa ito about sa mga happenings and sa regular na happenings sa school, and also the events that will be there. So stay tuned, tuloy lang tayo, watch to the end. Is just reporting. Kinabukasan pupunta ako para sa isang subject, which is foreign language class, and see you there, and hindi na magtatas ang group. So okay, help us share your thoughts about this experience. And update na lang kayo sa mga magagaling activity na naman yung mangyayari. So yun, isang Anron language class. Can believe it na. Karamihan sa mga school mga Taguig School campus, mga naka-blue dahil this is World Health. School gabi. So that's it for the vlog. See you on my next. Post pa ako ng more videos just to keep you updated. So like, share, subscribe, and also keep on engaging sa mga accounts ko. Thank you. Bye.